Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa from Ratings.com, and today we're checking out an exciting product from FIIO. Let's jump right in. No, not this, the headphones, please. No, not these ones either. The headphones, please.
These?
That's it! Eureka! I don't know. The FIIO FT1 headphones stand out among similarly priced headphones with their distinctive wooden shell on the outer housing of the ear cups. Their closed-back design is apparent from the lack of venting, which also contributes to their clean, stylish appearance. If you're a fan of mixed materials, or looking to match these headphones with your fractal north, you'll appreciate this warm aesthetic. Complementing the wooden ear cups is a metal hinge and a yoke system featuring an external adjustment track that evokes a distinctly retro feel, reminiscent of classic headphone designs. As expected from enthusiast-focused over-ears, portability isn't really their strength. These headphones don't fold up, making them somewhat cumbersome for casual travel. They're also a bit on the larger side, but detachable cables help avoid unwanted tangles or snags. Once disconnected, they conveniently fit into the included hard case, making transportation a little more manageable, and, at the very least, keeping the headphones from being crushed by any packed clothing. Some early batches had a pretty catastrophic design flaw. Poorly secured screws could unfasten, causing the ear cup and yoke assembly to detach from the headband, as you can see here and here. That said, FIIO deserves recognition for quickly acknowledging and addressing these user-reported problems with an updated design. Obviously, it would have been better if there wasn't a huge design flaw in the first place, but this is still one of the better responses we've seen to an issue like this. Our unit has the updated design, and though the yoke swivel feels somewhat stiff now, we expect it to loosen over time. We'll update the written review on our website if we notice any major changes. Comfort-wise, the FT1 headphones impress with their wide, well-padded headband that evenly distributes weight and minimizes pressure on your head during extended listening sessions. The earpads also feature ample cushioning wrapped in leatherette and soft fabric, with the latter material primarily contacting your skin. Despite their relatively high clamping force, these headphones aren't especially stable during vigorous activity. They'll stay securely in place during casual listening sessions, but you might want to hold off on doing the rat dance if you prefer to keep them firmly seated. And no, I'm not dancing for this. It's not happening. Speaking of keeping the FT1 securely seated, let's discuss whether they can consistently deliver audio. Well, rather frustratingly, the answer is it depends. The FT1 have subpar frequency response consistency across different users, meaning your listening experience could differ from our measurements based on physical factors like your head shape or whether or not you wear glasses. On the bright side, while the headphones have varied audio delivery due to these physical differences, they remain fairly consistent across multiple resets for any individual user. In other words, even if your experience diverges from our measurements, you're unlikely to notice inconsistencies from session to session. It's also worth noting that regular use over a longer period may help mold the ear cups to your head and improve the seal. Though, this is just speculation based on some work done by our friends over at Sound Guys. With that out of the way, let's assume that the FT1 fit like a glove, creating a solid seal. How do they sound? Our measurements reveal that the FT1 headphones have a warm sound signature relative to our in-house target, with impressive low frequency extension and an emphasized bass that tapers off before reaching the mids. If you like how our curve sounds but want an extra dose of bass, you'll probably enjoy the thump and punch these cans bring to kicks and bass synths as you relive your favorite EDC 2025 sets. Beyond the bass, the FT1 reproduce other audible frequencies with balanced accuracy, rendering vocals naturally and instruments smoothly. However, above 5 kHz, their frequency response has greater variability relative to their smooth sound signature. In practice, you might notice sibilants rendered as alternately dull and piercing relative to one another, but their heavier bass means that these are unlikely to sound harsh to you. Objectively, the FT1's left and right drivers are impressively well matched. We measured minimal differences in frequency and phase response, with a minor shift represented in the mids in both frequency and phase. In individual passes, phase response fluctuations straddled our threshold for audibility, though, given the limited width of the affected bands, these are small fluctuations that likely won't produce noticeable positioning biases. Higher up in the frequency spectrum, slight mismatches become more pronounced, but we're also less sensitive to these issues in these frequencies. It's worth pointing out that your experience may differ since stereo matching varies between units. The FT1 also exhibit great group delay performance, ensuring tight bass and transparent treble. Despite some user-reported concerns, harmonic distortion remains negligible, even at higher listening volumes, preserving audio clarity without coloration from unwanted harmonics. By design, these over-ears stimulate your outer ear, approximating the interactions of a stereo speaker setup to some extent. While this can enhance immersion, the FT1's closed back may limit the sense of spaciousness typically associated with open back designs. Let's talk about some additional considerations. These headphones come with detachable standard 3.5mm and balanced 4.4mm cables. They also come with a convenient 3.5mm to 6.35mm adapter. If your smartphone lacks an audio jack, you'll need a USB-C or a Lightning dongle to connect to the headphones directly. As I mentioned earlier, FIIO also makes wireless amps and DACs, which can connect wirelessly to your phone or PC, providing flexibility if you want to do some chores around the house. That said, the FT1 are low impedance headphones, so you won't need any of these to drive them. While they lack a built-in mic, most wireless receivers have an integrated mic, and you can probably find an aftermarket cable with a mic too if it's a must-have. As you'd expect from passive headphones, the FT1 don't have the greatest noise isolation without ANC, but their closed-back design at least blocks some of the higher frequency noise and prevents most audio bleed. Now, if you're shopping around the FT1's price point, you've likely encountered Beyerdynamics DT770 Pro and DT990 Pro, as both can be typically found at similar prices to the FT1. The DT770 Pro are closed backs, while the DT990 Pro are open backs. We tested the 250 ohm versions, but lower impedance models are also available with similar tuning. Both Beyerdynamic models have the brand's signature bright sound with treble emphasis around 8 kHz. Surprisingly, the DT990 Pro's frequency response has slightly more bass than the DT770 Pro, though both are less low-end focused than the FT1. The FT1's warmer sound signature makes them ideal for casual listening, offering clear bass emphasis and overall smooth audio. Meanwhile, the Beyerdynamic headphones are great options for mixing and mastering tracks, as their detailed analytical audio profile can help with identifying imperfections like clicks and pops in audio, though they do leak a fair amount of audio, so they're not ideal for recording. Regardless, the FT1 outperforms the Beyerdynamics in most sonic metrics, except for frequency response consistency, where both form a better seal than the FIIO across physical characteristics. Comfort-wise, we think that the FT1 surpassed the Beyerdynamics, with the latter likely disadvantaged due to their higher clamping force. But the Beyerdynamics do seem better built. That said, the entries from the German manufacturer come with soft pouches rather than hard cases and don't feature detachable cables. We should also mention that the Beyerdynamics are well respected among enthusiast gamers, especially for their use in competitive titles where sound cues are crucial. Still, the FT1's great stereo matching and low group delay can be appealing for gamers who prefer a bassier and potentially less fatiguing listening experience. So, is it worth picking up the FIIO FT1? The short answer is yes. They're an excellent choice with amazing sonic qualities, comfort, and thoughtful extras at a competitive price. However, their value to you will depend on your individual circumstances. If you wear glasses or have specific fit concerns, the FT1's frequency response consistency issues can outright disqualify them as a potential purchase. If you already own similar headphones, it's worth asking whether the FT1 genuinely adds something new to your collection. Or maybe you just like how they look and that's okay too. And that's it for today, folks. For more details on the FT1, check out our full written review and comparisons in the description box below. Until next time, I'm Vanessa from Ratings.com, where we help you find the best product for your needs. Goodbye.
Man, you're a pro at posing for thumbnails.
I'm just trying to figure out what I should be doing with my face.